Okay, my first video cut off and I didn't realize it, but I was in the middle of number 12 and we figured out that 6.2 divided by 3.1 was 2. So my leading term is 2, always times 10, and then remember you have to subtract the exponents. So 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2. So I have 2 times 10 to the negative second power. All my answer choices are in standard form, so to convert that to standard form, my decimal is here, and I need to move it 2 spaces to the left. So your answer is choice A, which is 2/100. Number 13, and I'll show you these on the paper in a second because I kept talking and the video cut off. The square root of 125 is between which two integers? Well, I know it's between 121, which is a perfect square, and 144, which is a perfect square, which makes it between 11 and 12, which is answer choice C. So here is the work that I did while the video was not recording. Especially for this one, another option would be to square each answer choice. So 125 is not between 81 and 100. It's not between 100 and 121. It's also not between 64 and 81. So now let's look at number 14. I started on this one too. This is the smallest scientific notation because these are both 14, the exponents, but 6.3 is smaller than 9.5. So A is your answer for number 14. 15, what's the product? So the first thing we need to do is multiply 6 times 3.5 is going to be 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 6 is 18. So when I add those, I get 0, 0, 8, 9, 10, 11 with 2 numbers behind the decimal. So 21 times 10, add the exponents. 3 plus negative 1 is 2 because it's 3 minus 1. Is equal to 3 minus 1, but now I need it in proper scientific notation, so I know this isn't going to be the answer. I also know it's not going to be negative 3, so really it's got to be A. Move it 1 to the left. This number got smaller, which means this number needs to get bigger. 16, the probability that a student will answer 6 multiple choice questions correctly. Guessing here. Uh-oh, I think that's a repeat. Isn't it? Yep. 8 is the same as 16. So forget 16. 17, value. I can only combine ones that have the same base. Exponents that have the same base. So the base is going to be 2. I'm going to add the exponents. Negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4. And then I have 4 to the second power. I have a negative exponent. Remember to fix that. We cross the line, change the sign. So 4 squared over 2 to the 4th. 4 squared is 16. 2 to the 4th. 8 is 16. 16 divided by 16 is 1. So your answer is C. If you have any other questions, make sure you sign up for Leopard Time, and good luck on the test.